This is Tom, and this is a Megamat RS vertical carousel from KARDEX Remstar. Today, Tom will give us step-by-step instructions on how to use this automated storage and retrieval system. Here we go. First, he must turn on the Megamat RS. Once it is powered on, he can use the operator panel to direct the unit. Megamat RS vertical carousels can be integrated with PowerPick Global Inventory Management software, which automates the order picking process and improves productivity. To start the picking process, Tom simply enters his desired items, the quantity needed, and finally presses the green process button. Now the Megamat RS rotates vertically to deliver the appropriate carrier to the ergonomic access opening. The unit is able to rotate in both directions and quickly delivers the items by taking the shortest and fastest route. And because Tom's Megamat RS has been integrated with Pick-to-Light technology, the Transaction Information Center guides him to the correct picking location by displaying detailed data. Tom can now pick his items. Once the pick is complete, he can request another item or finalize his picking process. Tom is excited by the automated process improvements in his operations, saving him space, increasing picking accuracy and productivity. Optimize your processes by using a Megamat RS vertical carousel from KARDEX Remstar and be happy just like Tom.